Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to fix Messenger that does not open, does not work on your iPhone or iPad. If you have any problems or have errors, Messenger app crashes. I will show you how to solve it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I will read and answer them. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Let's get started. The first way is you need to pinch the Messenger icon on your iPhone or iPad and delete it. Once you have deleted, go to the Apple Store and try to re-download this app. The second way is to go to the Apple Store again and find the Update tab. Or just write to Messenger and try to update the application itself. Another way. Why you may not have the application open does not work. It is if the update itself from the developer of Messenger application. It happens that you need to wait a little bit, half an hour or an hour, and then go to this application and it will work. Also lower the curtain. Press the flight mode, the phone will reboot. For about 15 seconds you need to wait. Then we disable this function. I turn on Wi-Fi. Go to the application should work. The last way is to go to the settings. Open here General. iPhone storage. Scroll down. Find Messenger. And we need to unload this application. That is, we will clear the cache and data. But don't worry, all our chats and photos will still be there. So we can fix this problem and Messenger will no longer not open, but work on our iPhone. All we will work as it works before. Who liked this video, subscribe to the channel. Put likes. And write to whom my solution helped. Did you manage to do so? Share this video with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Like it. Goodbye.